Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Kingdoms app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down here, click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Kingdoms app, or just click on search. Then here at Kingdoms app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on for stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click here on Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search for Disney Magic Kingdoms. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.